Space movies look amazing. But most of what they show about space is wrong. Today, let's break down 4 space myths and see what real science actually says. Blue Circle Myth 1. Satellites don't fall to Earth. It looks like satellites are just floating in space. But satellites are actually always falling. The reason they don't crash is because they move sideways very fast. As they fall, the Earth curves away beneath them. This balance between falling and moving forward is called an orbit. So satellites stay in space not because of magic, but because of physics. Blue Circle Myth 2. There is no gravity in space. Many people think astronauts float because there is no gravity in space. But gravity still exists. At the International Space Station, Earth's gravity is almost as strong as on the ground. Astronauts float because they are constantly falling along with the space station. This creates a condition called microgravity. So astronauts aren't floating freely. They are falling around the Earth. Blue Circle Myth 3. Space is extremely loud during explosions. Movies often show huge explosions in space with loud sounds. But in reality, space is almost silent. Sound needs air to travel. And space has almost no air. That means explosions in space would make no sound at all. Even a massive blast would be completely silent. Blue Circle Myth 4. You would instantly freeze in space. Movies show people freezing instantly in space. But that's not what really happens. Space is cold, but without air, heat escapes very slowly. You wouldn't freeze immediately. The real danger in space is lack of oxygen and air pressure. That's why astronauts wear pressurized spacesuits. Space is dangerous, but not in the way movies show it. Real space is even more interesting when you understand the science behind it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more real science explained simply.